Good morning, students. In this maths class, we are going to learn how to solve the word problems from lesson number 1, our national fruit, mango. Points to remember before solving word problems. Read and understand. Think, what do you need to find out? Divide the sentences and start solving the sums. While writing answers, the answer will have three parts: statements, solving sums, and answer statement. How to identify the given word problem is multiply or division. In multiply, detail of one is given, asked for many. In division, detail of many is given, asked for one. Look into the first sum. The total number of students in the class is 20. Each student has a box containing 8 mangoes. What is the total number of mangoes in all? This is your first sum. What is the first step? We have to read clearly, slowly, and understand. Second step, divide the sentences and start writing the statement. Where we can divide the first sentence, the total number of students in the class is 20. So what it is? 20 students. I have already written 20 students. Each student has a box containing 8 mangoes. Another break. Each means one student is having 8 mangoes. What is the total number of mangoes in all? After writing the statement, if you see, now this place is empty, question mark will come here. One more thing, while writing the statement, we have to remember, in any word problem, two informations will be given. In this sum, information is given about students and mangoes. And when you write the statement, second thing what you have to remember, students and student will come together, mangoes and how many? It should come together. You can't put students and mangoes here and mangoes and students here. Third one, after writing the statement in the rough column, we have to see as it is we can carry into the main page. Here we can't do that because in word problem always this question mark statement should be your second line. So we have to change. When we change, how it comes? One student is equal to 8 mangoes. I have brought this line as your first statement, and 20 students is equal to how much? After writing the statement, it is clear. 20 and 8. The numbers are arranged cross. What is the symbol of multiplication? Cross. So we have to do multiply here. 20 multiply by 8. I have already solved the sums. You will get 160. So this became first part of your sum. This became the second part of your sum. And this is your third part. Third part is very easy. First write the answer 160. In the problem, remove the question word. Remove the question word and remaining thing will be your answer statement. Is the total number of mangoes in all. Now sum number 2. A bullock cart can cover the distance of only 4 kilometers in an hour. How much time will it take to cover the distance of 16 kilometers? So first one is read and understand. Second one, we can divide the sentences and start writing the statement. So you can decide where you want to break the sentence. A bullock cart can cover the distance of only 4 kilometers in an hour. So I am making break here. I am going to write statement. So 4 kilometers in an hour means 4 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. How much time will it take to cover the distance of 16 kilometers? So under the 4 kilometers, 16 kilometer will come. So which place is empty? Here it is empty. After writing this statement, now we have to see, is there any changes to be done? No. Why? First line is correct, and in second line the question mark is in the right side, is in the right side. So bring the statement as it is in the main page. 4 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. 16 kilometer is equal to how much? Now see where the numbers are placed. 16 and 4 are coming in straight line. Then you have to remember the symbol of division. Division is like one line. Then we have to start doing division. The bigger number will come inside and we have to divide with number 4. When you do all this division work, next is writing the statement. This is your answer. Write 4 here. 4 hours is taken by the bullock cart to cover the distance of 16 kilometers. Sometimes we have to add some words from the other sentences also. We can't write directly the answer.